four-wheel drive truck IE420. A pack of 25 kilograms. A total of 20 packs of 500 kilograms. The maximum load capacity of the whole car is 500 kilograms. Four-wheel drive allows the body to easily traverse any terrain. Use TGB Taiwan-made engine. Able to cross the stream easily. The carburetor is made by Makuni, Japan. Climbing waves is easy. Slope about 20 degrees. All cars are made in Taiwan. Slope about 30 degrees. Slope about 18 degrees. Strong grip makes cornering very easy. Rear swing arm plus 5-stage adjustable oil shock absorber and anti-roll bar. Even if the road is uneven, driving is effortless. Slope about 35 degrees. Downhill is so easy and simple. Optional chassis height configuration based on different terrain and purpose. Slope about 38 degrees. Easy turn without any power steering.
All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold.
Slope about 43 degrees. Engine brake to enhance safety.
Am I insane not to let go? Oh,
Simple operation. Such a powerful four-wheel drive truck IE420. Must not miss.